Hello everyone, so we're here from this one in this round number 9 of this game. So in this analyze of these games here in Norway Chess 2025. So it means round number 9 here. So it means 2 rounds left or 2 Armageddons left here from this one. So it means round number 9. So it means these are the long game within round robins or long game from this one. So it means the determinations here from this one. So the time clocks here within 2 hours from this game, from this long game, from this round robin, from this one. And also have between from this Grandmaster in China, the first women world champion Zhu Wenjun versus the Grandmaster in Ukraine is Anna Musichuk here from this one. So who was the win of this round number 9 from winning from plus points here from this one? In today's round number 9 here in this part of this video, you have analyzed here of these chess games in this round number 9 in Norway chess. So white plays Drew is knight f3, knight f6 Musichuk, c4, c5 English opening symmetrical variation, knight c3, knight c6 is called 4 knights variation from this English opening symmetrical from this one. And also g3 without move by bishop to g2, and also d5 capture this pawn, knight takes captured, and also bishop to g2. So it means without bishop to d2 by Zhu Wenjun or upcoming by castling kingside by here, by right side here from this one. So for example, if you capture this knight takes d5 here from this one, and also queen takes knight, and also bishop to g2. So it means without coming here or good examples here from this one. So Zhu Wenjun moves by bishop to g2, upcoming by castling here, and also knight takes captured, pawn takes knight. So it means without pawn takes knights here, without b takes c3, and also e5, castling by Zhu Wenjun. So it means castle kingside, bishop e7 by Musichuk. So with idea to here, with idea to upcoming by castling by Musichuk. So it means without upcoming by castling here from this one. Wait, these are the okay. This one is closing here from this one. So problem the virus my laptop. So it means, so let's continue bishop to e7 by Musichuk here, and also d3 by Zhu, castle kingside by Musichuk without castling from this one. Rook b1. So it means without rook b1 here, and also queen c7 by Musichuk, and also knight d2 without move here by determinations by Zhu Wenjun, or maybe precise by continuations here from this one. Bishop e6 by Musichuk, upcoming tempo attacks by pawns or a2 here, and also knight c4. So it means without knight c4 here, rook a d8, and also queen a4 without precise move by Zhu Wenjun, without tempos, without strongest move by white pieces here from this one. Bishop d7 without defense by knights, knight e3. So it means novelty by Zhu Wenjun. So it means novelty. So it means novelty by Zhu Wenjun here from this one. So these are the old main line here. Old main line, the first is also f4, second rook to e1, and third is bishop to b2. So it means good novelty by here from this one. So the fourth new novelty, knight e3 by Zhu Wenjun. So it means novelty here from this one. Bishop e6 by Musichuk here from this one, and also c4. So it means without c4 here, without continuations here by this one, by the develops here from this one. Queen d7. So without queen d7 by Musichuk, without behinds the rooks or queen from this one, without doubles here. Knight d5. So it means without strongest move by Zhu Wenjun, tempos attacks by bishop, without attempts attacks here from this one. And also bishop to d6, bishop d2. So it means without bishop to d2, knight d4 without jumping here inside by Muzychuk here from this one without Tempo's attack. And also queen d1, bishop g4 without bishop to g4 or maybe sacrifice. So it means sacrifice here from this one. Rook e1 and b6 without behinds the pawns here from this one or by upcoming eliminates here. And also bishop c3 eliminates by knights, tempo attacks here. And also f5 with the strongest move by Muzychuk here from this one. And also f3. So it means without f3 by Ju Wenjun, tempos attacks by bishop, threats by bishop. Bishop h5, e3, tempos attacks by knights, threats by knights here, and also knight c6 by backwards. And also e4 without e4 here, and push f4 without closes here by pushes close. So it means locked by pawns here from this one. So for example, so what do you think if you capture this pawn? Pawn f takes e4. What do you think? What do you think from this one? So how do you do from this one? And also pawn takes capture. So it means the realize here without determinations here from this one. So let's continue by push to f4 without lock here, by push without lock from this pawns here from this one, and capture this pawn. So it means capture this pawn. So the weight from this puzzle, first puzzle. So what you think the realize with the idea to think the finding brilliant sacrifice move by Grandmaster Anna Muzychuk by Ukraine. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes f4. Brilliant move by Anna Muzychuk. The rook! So I think the Gotham chess here from this one. So it means rook takes f4. Brilliant move by double exclamation points. And decided knight takes rook without captured by sacrifice here from this one. And pawn takes knight, and e5 without good move by Ju Wenjun, without threats by bishop e7. So it means without bishop to e7 here from this one. And d4 is blunderacious by Ju Wenjun, double question mark. So it means the evaluation bar is very low. So it means d4 blunderacious by Ju Wenjun. So the best accuracy move is push to e6 without threats by queen. So if you move by queen d6 here from this one, and also bishop to e5, queenless. Oh my god, queenless here from this one, queenless. So it means easy wins for white by Ju Wenjun. So it means easy white. Easy by wins for white by Ju Wenjun here from this one. So let's go back is d4 without blunderacious by Ju Wenjun, and pawn takes captured without tempos attacks by bishop d2, queen f5 without strongest by Muzychuk here from this one, and queen e2 without behinds by rooks or queens here, and also bishop to c5, king h1 without forced move here from this one. I'm sorry, I got trunks here. So it means let's continue is king h1 here, and also bishop to g6 without tempos attacks by sacrifice by rooks here from this one. And also e6, oh my god, upcoming by push or maybe targets by here by bishops here from this one. and d3. So it means without d3, threatening by queens or temples attacks here from this one. Queen f1, and also knight d4 without movement here, or the realized by continuous tempos attack, or with idea to move by knight to c2. So it means these are the questions here from this one. Or maybe without here knight e2. So it means without tempos attacks here or defense here from this one. So it means knight d4, rook bd1 without first rank, and also knight e2. So it means without strongest move here by Musichuk here from this one, and also bishop h3 without tempos attacks by queens, queen h5. So it means without queen h5 here, and also bishop to b4 without bishop to bishop. So the next puzzle, the second puzzle. So what do you think the another finding brilliant move by sacrifice by Grandmaster Anna Musichuk? So while waiting for a couple per seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So it means bishop e4. Another brilliant move by sacrifice by Anna Musichuk. Brilliant move. What the strongest move. So look at the evaluation bar. Very highest points by score. So it means brilliant sacrifice move from this one. So it means bishop e4 is brilliant move. And also pawn takes bishop and decided bishop takes captured bishop. So it means without captured, or with idea to threats by the threatening by rooks, or maybe tempos attacks by rooks here. So it means tempo attacks here from this one. So it means bishop takes b4 here, and also push e7 with the threats by rooks or upcoming by queens here from this one. And bishop takes captured by pawns here, and also bishop e6 check, and also king h8, queen h3 without queen to queens, and Musichuk accept queen takes captured, bishop takes queen, and also bishop to h4 without tempos attacks by rooks here, and also rook f1, knight c3 with the threats by rooks here, and also rook a1, d2, oh my god, upcoming by queens here from this one, bishop g4 without no more by promotes queen, and also g5, e5 without determinations here from this one, and also king g7, king g2, and also king g6 without king must be active by black pieces, and also h3. So it means without h3 by Ju Wenjun, h5 by Musichuk, tempos attacks by bishop d1. So it means without bishop to d1, king f5 without threats by pawns. So it means without threatening by pawns here from this one. So it means, for example, why don't we knight takes bishop? So how do you think from this one? And also rook takes captured. So it means idea here is examples here, or maybe a tempos attacks from this one. So back there is king f5, and bishop takes captured, king takes pawns, and also a4 without a4 here, a5 without stop by pawns, and bishop to f3, and also rook d3 without movement by. So it means Anna Musichuk here. So it means it means the three pieces here, the double rooks and bishop from whites, and the blacks is knight, rooks, and bishop. So it means determinations. So let's continue is rook d3 Rook a3 and also king d4, rook b3 with the threats by pawns and also bishop e1, and also bishop h5, knight takes captured, and also rook b1 without controls here by movement, king c5 without threats by pawns, rook b5 check, king takes captured. So it means without captured here. So how many pawns? So 5 pawns by Mu Zichuk and 1 pawns only by Zhu Wenjun. So it means 5 versus 1. So it means what a winning by Mu Zichuk here from this one. And rook takes captured, rook g3 check, and decided rook takes captured, bishop takes captured, and also h4 without h4 here, knight to c3, and also king h3 here. So it means without king h3, king d3 without coming by here, without move by king to e2, or maybe without attacks by rooks here from this one. And bishop to f3, bishop takes captured by pawns, king takes bishop, king c2, and also king g5 without temples attacks by pawns, b5, king takes captured, b4, bishop h5, and d1 queen. So it means without d1 queen, and bishop takes captured queen, knight takes captured by bishop, and rook h1 without coming by h2 by check. So it means rook h2 by check here from this one, and b3 without coming by b2 or promotes queen, rook h2 check, and also here last shot king c1. So it means upcoming by promotes pawns or maybe promotes by queen. So it means resigned by first women world champion Zhu Wenjun. So it means what a winning from this one by Anna Mu Zichuk from this one. So it means why she resigns, because if you move by king f3, so it means king f3 only move here, and also b2, and you decided this one is, if you decided this one is, if you move by here, if you move by king e1, so king e2 here from this one, and also b1 queen. So it means fatal, so it means wins for black, so it means lose for white. So it means what a winning by Grandmaster Anna Mu Zichuk here from this one. So the score from these white pieces by Zhu Wenjun is 88 points, and also the score by black pieces is accuracy is 91.9. So the winner from this round number 9, Grandmaster in Ukraine Anna Mu Zichuk here from this one. So the last round here from this one, so the round 10, so the last round between from International Master Sarah Candem in Spain versus the Grandmaster in China, Lei Tingqi. So it means the Open Swiss. So it means not Open Swiss. So it means women's Swiss here from this one. So the male here from this one, Open Swiss, between the championship between Arjun Erigaisi versus Magnus Carlsens here from this one. So I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lawagi 17, aka ICOLMike17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of next chess updates. Have a good day. Happy Friday. Bye.